Alright guys, so I found a perfect size box here to fit. This is for 10s to fit behind these OBS seats here. As you can see, the room we have here. And this won't affect the pushing the seat back and all that. So yeah, you could even stick one right in the middle. So it should fit perfect back there. So let me put this together here, and we will look and see how she looks. Alright, she all put together here. So we'll try to slide her on in and see what happens. Alright boys, there we have it. She fits like a charm. It would probably go back even further if I cut the carpet right there out, but it's good. Works perfect. Plenty of subwoofer clearance.